Hey there, Judith Cobb here again, and I just got another Nature Sunshine order in. So we thought, I thought, there's not two of me, there's only one of me. I thought I would do another unboxing. I sometimes orders come in rapid succession because I have a bunch of clients through, and it depletes the stock a little bit, and they're not on Subscribe and Thrive yet. And sometimes there's just a crazy good special on, and it's like, ooh, got to take advantage of that. So regardless of why I placed this order, let's look and see what's in the box. Now, I found a really great use for this brown paper. I now shred it and use it as mulch in my garden. So for those of you who are gardeners, this makes really good mulch. Or if you are into doing the worm composting, you can also shred this and use it as bedding the next time you change your worm compost. So just a little side note there. Okay, the usual tons of paper and promo pieces and the invoice that we need to keep for our records. And we're just going to put all of those papers aside to reveal a box full of bottles. Yes. So what do we have here? Oh, I talk about this one just about every time, don't I? Protein digestive aid. This is betaine hydrochloric acid. How do you know if you need betaine hydrochloric acid or protein digestive aid? In the United States, this is called PDA. This, you need this if when you eat proteins, particularly animal proteins, if they feel like they sit heavily in your stomach, or if they give you really, really foul gas. That's how you know you need protein digestive aid. So some other things that I like to watch for are things like, if I see slow wound healing, I wonder how well is the person breaking down proteins to get the amino acids to repair tissues. Now, I don't know, I can't say that PDA will fix that or protein digestive aid will fix that, but it's a question I wonder. I also wonder when someone's hemoglobin is low, if they're digesting their protein really well. And again, I can't say that protein digestive aid will fix that, but it's a question that I will sometimes ask my clients. IMMC. Oh, I'm sorry I don't have the name for this in the US product line. This is the Chinese formula for immune building, immune support. I really like to use this at times when I feel like my immune system might need some support. This is a super concentrated capsule. One capsule of this would equal 4 regular capsules. So I find that I like to use just one a day of these. And I'll switch off between this and the LYMMX, which I think in the States is called Lymphomax. I'll vary back and forth, back and forth. And so when we've got a long haul where our immune systems might be compromised or might be under assault, like here in Canada in the wintertime, starting about now till about the end of March is considered to be our flu season, right, where everyone is boxed up inside and all the windows are closed because it's minus a gazillion outside, and we're all breathing recycled air and we're not getting a lot of sunshine because our days are so short. That's when I will lean on my IMMC just to help keep the immune system primed. Another protein digestive aid, SNX. This is a blend of herbs that has been traditionally used for sinus, for excess mucus in the respiratory tract and for sinus issues. I love the ingredients in this because I also feel that they support the immune system. So particularly if there are respiratory infections going around, I like to lean on this one. We usually have a bottle of this open in the kitchen. As my husband says, if you sound like what SNX would sound like if you could pronounce that, if you're kind of snorty like that, then it's a good indication you need SNX. And again, I apologize, I don't know what the name of this one is in the United States. It would be something like sinus something or other. YFDTX in the US, this is labeled as Yeast Fungal Detox. This is my go-to, along with dietary modifications, to help bring a person's flora back into balance. If I suspect that they have any overgrowths of any kind of fungi or yeast, I will go with this and we'll do recommend some pretty strict dietary modifications as well to help the body rebalance, to crowd out the bad guys and to bring in the good guys. And of course, we always use a probiotic with this. Garden Essence Enzymes, one of my favorite digestive enzymes, and I love this one particularly. It has the ingredients that help with digesting fats and carbohydrates, and it also has in it herbs that support the liver. So if I am seeing things that I suspect may be indications of the liver not being happy, and I know there's digestive imbalances as well, I like to use this one to help bring that all back into balance. Vitamin E with selenium. This is your D-alpha tocopherol, and it has your selenium with it. Vitamin E and selenium are both antioxidants, and selenium recharges vitamin E. So when you've used the antioxidant capacity of vitamin E, if there's selenium in the system, it will recharge the vitamin E and allow it to keep going. So that's one reason I like to use this. There's been so many benefits for vitamin E that have been discovered scientifically over the years that, we know it helps the blood to carry oxygen a little bit better. It was originally discovered as being critical for fertility. And we can't say that it fixes fertility, but we know it's important for fertility. And there's so many other things that vitamin E is good for. A lot of people will use something like this to help reduce scarring, for instance. What else do we have in here that we haven't already talked about? Okay, we've got acidophilus, lovely probiotic. And this is really great again for helping to reestablish proper flora in the body. In addition to that, I have Magnesium Complex. Now, don't we love Magnesium Complex? I mean, magnesium is the relaxing mineral. Dr. Jensen used to talk about that a lot. We know that this is also helpful for the bowel and for helping to keep the bowel moving well for many people. Now, for some people, it'll constipate them, so just be careful with that. And so those are all the original bottles that are in my box. I hope you found that interesting, and we will talk to you again soon. If you need any more information on any of these products, or if you would like to order any of these and you don't know how to get them, please reach out to me. I am happy to help you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.